Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2066 code? This code means the fuel level sensor B is not performing within the expected range set by the ECU. If ignored, it can cause inaccurate fuel gauge readings and fuel system monitoring issues. P2066 stands for Fuel Level Sensor B Performance. In simple terms, the ECU detects inconsistent or incorrect signals from the secondary fuel level sensor inside the fuel tank. Many modern vehicles use dual fuel level sensors for accurate fuel measurement. Common symptoms include incorrect fuel gauge reading, fuel warning light staying on, sudden drop or fluctuation in fuel level display, and check engine light. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. Fuel level sensor B is located inside the fuel tank, usually attached to the fuel pump module or sending unit assembly. The fuel tank is mounted underneath the vehicle near the rear side. The fuel pump, float mechanism, and level sensors are integrated inside the tank module. The wiring harness runs from the fuel tank to the instrument cluster and ECU. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live fuel level data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the wiring and connector at the fuel tank for corrosion or loose connections. Check the fuel pump module and float arm for mechanical sticking or damage. Also test the sensor resistance values if accessible. If the sensor performance is inconsistent, replacement of the fuel level sensor or pump module may be required. Finally, repair wiring issues, replace the faulty sensor module if needed, clear the code, and verify fuel gauge accuracy. Fixing P2066 will restore proper fuel level readings and reliable fuel system monitoring.